Today I'm making these super easy and delicious croissants filled with Dubai chocolate. I started by taking some random Dubai chocolate I had on hand and breaking it into smaller pieces. Then I put it in the microwave and melted it until it was nice and smooth. Once the chocolate was ready, it was time for my favorite part, covering the pastry with chocolate. I took the first sheet of puff pastry and started spreading the melted chocolate all over it. I wanted to make sure that every single part of the pastry was covered, especially the edges, because I wanted every croissant to have that delicious chocolate flavor inside. I kept spreading it around until I had a nice, even layer of chocolate. You don't need to make it super thick, just enough to cover the whole surface. Once the first sheet was completely covered, I placed the second sheet of puff pastry right on top. Then I gently pressed everything down with my hands just to make sure the two sheets were nicely stuck together and that the chocolate was spread evenly between them. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. After that, I started cutting the pastry into triangles. I tried to make them roughly the same size so the croissants would bake evenly. And then it was time to roll them. I took each triangle and started rolling it from the wider end toward the tip. I kept doing the same thing with every piece until I had a whole batch of little chocolate-filled croissants. Once all of them were rolled, I prepared my air fryer. I placed some parchment paper inside and arranged the croissants on top, making sure to leave a little bit of space between them. Before baking, I brushed each croissant with an egg wash. This helps them get that beautiful golden color and makes them look extra shiny once they're baked. Then I put them into the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. And this is how they turned out: golden, crispy on the outside and filled with delicious melted Dubai chocolate on the inside. They are honestly such an easy treat to make, especially when you already have some puff pastry and chocolate at home. And the best part is that you get these beautiful little croissants without having to make the pastry from scratch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you'd give these Dubai chocolate croissants a try.